Hi friends, today I'm going to explain you the interesting and important topic of programming language, that is Python. So we don't know what is Python, why we need to use Python. We have lot of programming languages, why this Python is there. So we get lot of doubts. So I will clear that doubt also in this video. First we will learn what is Python. Python is a simple language, easy to understand, free and open source, and eco-friendly, and it is a high-level programming language. So easy to understand. Why I told easy to understand? Because comparing to the different programming languages like C, C++, Java, so Python is different because Java having a lot of steps or lot of code. If we want to write any simple program also, it having lot of steps that we don't understand. So coming to Python, we can understand easily, we can read it, we can use very easily. So that only I told easy to understand. Next, free and open source. Anyone can access the Python. There is no restrictions to use. Okay, it will be the eco-friendly, and it is a high level programming language. What is programming language? So programming language means set of instructions are given to a translator. What is translator? Again we get doubt. So translator means computer don't understand our language, human language. Computer will not understand, right? So computer understand only zeros and ones, that is machine language. So for us it is very difficult to write in zeros and ones, because if we take any example like simple word we will take, that is multiplication. So we don't know how to write multiplication in zeros and ones, so that only there will be the translator. The translator know both human language and machine language, that it is easily converts to human language to machine language. Okay, next translator will be interpreter and compiler. What is interpreter? Interpreter means it will execute the set of instructions line by line. If any error will come in first line only, means it will stop the execution. So coming to compiler, it will execute set of instructions at a time. So Python uses the interpreter more. So I will show you one simple diagram, then you will understand easily. So this is the diagram. Here we have Python and JavaScript, and this is the machine, that is the computer. Okay, this will be in zeros and ones. Our will be English. Okay, English computer will not understand, right? So we have one translator that will understand both English and machine language. It will easily translate to machine language. That translator will be interpreter or compiler. So this is the example. So coming to history of Python. Python is developed by Rusum in 1991. In 1991 they found 2.0 version of Python, and in 2005 they found the 3.0 version. Now latest will be 3.7. It is a bug fix release. Okay, and next coming to where we need to use the Python code, where we need to run the Python code. For that you can use terminal or else code editor. Code editor means Sublime or Visual Studio, and also IDE. IDE means integrated development environment, that will be PyCharm or Spider. And one more is Jupyter Lab. This is a Jupyter Lab. I am using Jupyter Lab only. This is very easy to understand and easy to write Python code, and we can easily run here. Okay, thank you for watching. I will mention one more link in my description. You go to that link and you can run there also your Python code. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye. Please subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you.